Hey guys, here's my another video on prepositions. So today we'll be covering prepositions of place and preposition of time. So let's directly jump in onto the topic, okay? Without wasting time. So here I have written for you preposition of place and it as it is understood by the meaning, so I will not explain it in detail. On, as I've already told in a previous video, if you have not watched, please go and watch it. On, if something is kept on the surface, okay, this is a table, something kept on the surface, okay. A ball is kept on the surface of the table. Is on the table means on the surface of the table, okay. Now if we talk about onto, so I am going to keep the ball. If something is in motion, I am going to keep the ball. I am going to keep the ball on the table means I am going to keep it on the surface. It is not yet kept. I will keep it. So it is in the motion that I am going to keep it. Okay, this is onto. Then if we talk about into, first let's talk about in. Okay, in is similar to into. Okay, like on is similar to onto, in is similar to into. In means the ball, suppose this is a well, okay, a ball is in the well means it is inside the well. Here it is water, the ball is in the well. If I say into, I am going to throw the ball into the table means inside anything, okay. So it is not yet in, I am going to keep it. So again in motion, what? Motion, okay, this is about motion. Then we'll talk about preposition of time. You will think that why I have made a watch here, just to make the concept more simpler, okay, more easy. Suppose here it is a clock and here it is written at. So anytime, anywhere, if you see or hear time, like I have written 5 o'clock, just without thinking anything, without going deep inside it, just simply write at, okay. Nothing you have to think, just write at. Like I wake up dash 3 o'clock. As soon as I saw this timing, I'll write at, okay. As simple as that, okay. Nothing. Now same if we talk about preposition of time only. So this is there I have made calendar. If you see anywhere these two things, that is year and month, okay. And in on, if you see anything like dates and days, okay. If we are talking about a year or month, you'll simply write it as year or month. Like I was born on September, sorry, I was born in September. If I write simply September without thinking anything, write in before it, okay. If I talk I was born in 2006, if you see some year written, just simply write in before it without thinking anything, okay. Now if we talk about these two things, that is dates and day. If we talk about I was born dash, suppose Sunday, okay, Sunday, I was born dash Sunday. So as soon as you see Sunday, just simply write on, okay, just simply write on, sorry, on, just simply write on without thinking anything. If you see same thing, I was born dash, if suppose I write any date, maybe 24th June, write suppose anything 1864, okay, just suppose, okay, 24 June 18. As soon as you see this date, just write on, okay. So before any year or month, write in. Before any date or day, write on, okay. As simple as that. Hope you understood the concept. If you have not understood anything, please comment in the comment section, okay. And please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.